Defend our blockade runners against the Imperials. Repel their assault.
Got it.
Defend our blockade runners.
Fighters trailing you.
Target obliterated.
Those TIE bombers must not be allowed to complete their attack run.
Man, I thought they lasted longer.
Let's get in there, Red Squad.
Their TIE bombers are getting through. Intercept them. We kept those TIE bombers from completing their attack run. Keep the Imperials from destroying our blockade runners.
Imperials in my sights.
Waste of a good ship.
They've destroyed a blockade runner.
Deflector! Losing! There seems to be an enemy on your tail. Target destroyed.
They're targeting you.
Appreciate the assist. I'm in trouble here.
Only one blockade runner left. Protect it. Our blockade runners are down. The Imperials are advancing. Hold them back.
I can do this all day.
Missile lost.
Those mines are holding the Imperials back. Protect them from harm.
Losing target.
Enemy down. Your ship can't take much more of that.
You had him.
Intercept the TIE fighters. Don't let them clear out our mines. Our sensors detect incoming TIE bombers. Take them out, quick!
We're taking fire!
They've eliminated one of our mines. Their TIE bombers are hammering our forces. They must be stopped.
You're taking damage!
Moving in!
That's it!
Another mine destroyed.
That could have helped more, pal. You can do this.
Only one mine left. Hold the line. They've cleared the mines we set to hold them back. All ships prepare for assault. Imperial Star Destroyer advancing.
Lost part of the wing!
You're hit!
One down. Infinity to go.
Protect the cruiser. They're firing on its deckside sensor array.
Broken. This one's too important to lose.
The TIE Bomber Squadron's initiating its attack run.
Buckle in, pal. We're in for a fight.
Alert! We're taking heavy damage. Focus all fire on the enemy bombers.
Another for our side.
Stop those TIEs from disabling the cruiser's defenses.
Beautiful.
They're targeting you. I owe you one for that.
They've dealt us quite a blow.
They've weakened the cruiser's defenses. Their TIEs are now targeting its lower hull sensors. Intercept them.
Hope we can pull this out of the fire.
This is not how we're gonna go out. I snuck up on me.
Look, I take orders from just one person. Me.
Waste of a good ship.
Excellent. We destroyed a wave of TIE bombers. The cruiser's defenses are down. If they take out its rear engines, they'll destroy the ship. We can't let that happen.
Bullseye.
We can't lose this. I got a reputation to maintain.
Empire is still a deadly force, and they'll be back. Worse than ever.